Hey guys, and welcome back to Cute Life Hacks. This is my first slime review video and I had so much fun making it, which you can probably tell based on the editing. To make things more interesting, I decided to choose a wide range of slimes, from big online shops to toy store brands to Instagram slime sellers. If you're new here, then a huge welcome, and please remember to subscribe to Cute Life Hacks and my other channel, Macaroon. Now just sit back and I hope you enjoy this relaxing compilation of slime reviews. This video is kindly sponsored by Gearbest.com, so of course that's the first shop we're going to check out. Gearbest is a huge online shop based in China and they offer extremely affordable prices with worldwide shipping. I chose this huge slime set, which is the same as a video I made last year, and that actually turned out to be the most popular product I've ever linked on my channel. This slime set from Gearbest only costs $25 and you get 24 different colors. Crystal slime is the only one where you will notice a significant difference between DIY and store-bought versions. I don't know exactly how they make this, but this is basically the perfect clear slime because it's super elastic, it doesn't dry up easily, and it doesn't turn cloudy easily. So if you want to try this yourself, then I've included all the shopping links plus a 20% discount code down below. Now I'm going to try something that I've seen on Instagram and I've always wanted to do. I have a pack of Daiso clay here and I'm going to cover everything with clear slime. To do this, I simply took a tiny piece, stretched it out and then laid it across the clay. This is, without a doubt, the most satisfying thing I've ever made during all my years on YouTube. Now it's time to press everything together. The combination of crystal slime and fluffy clay looks pretty incredible. Just imagine if someone made a dessert that looked like this. If you're not following me on Instagram yet, then please check out my account with the username Macaroon. I post a lot of behind the scenes info on Instagram stories, so by following me there you have the best chances of knowing when a new video is going to go up on YouTube. The slime didn't mix very well with the clay, so it didn't produce a butter slime, which I was kind of hoping for, but this was still so much fun to play with. The next slime from Gearbest.com is this heart-shaped one. This actually costs $1.90, which is so ridiculously cheap, it's almost free. Gearbest has a whole section on their website containing $1 products, which is also linked below. For this price, the quality is really impressive since you get 4 small metallic slimes to play with. These are perfectly soft, stretchy, and not at all sticky. You can keep them separately or mix them all together. I decided to mix the pink and purple since those two colors fit together anyway. And even after your slime gets used up, you can always reuse this cute container for makeup, craft supplies, or your own DIY slimes. Next up, take a look at these macaron slimes. I fell in love with the packaging and I decided to review these because it's not something that you can get from DIY slime shops. Each one contains a crystal slime that is basically the same as the ones from that big set from earlier. I think it's really cute that the colors match the macarons, And it's great value since you can always use the cute box afterwards for other things. The only thing I found slightly disappointing is that the purple slime was more of a grape juice color rather than a bright lilac, which is what I would have hoped for. But of course, for these prices, it's hardly fair to complain about such tiny details. If you want to get these macaron slimes, then you have to hurry since I think there's only very limited numbers left. In case anything is sold out, Gearbest also sells a ton of other slimes and squishies, so just check the description box for all the links and discount codes. Now let's move on to indie slime shops. The first one is called the Slime Atelier, which is a fairly new but very fast-growing store. It's obvious why the moment you look at their accounts. The branding is so luxurious and it feels like the Vogue of slime shops. Like most indie brands, you get some great freebies, including these gorgeous iridescent hair ties and some gummy bears. The first slime I chose is called Super Bubblegum. This is a glossy scented pink slime with an amazing silky texture. The next one is called Green Apple, and this also has the perfect combination of color and scent. The Slime Atelier has a very seasonal selection, so if you check out our website now, you'll find lots of amazing autumn and Halloween themed slimes. This next one is a limited edition mirror glass slime featuring crystal clear slime and a container of mirror glitter. This is not just a regular silver glitter because it's actually incredibly reflective and looks just like tiny shards of mirror glass. You can see how amazing this effect looks when mixed into clear slime. All the slimes from the Slime Atelier are made without borax and have a thin, delicate texture. If you need to activate them further, then you can simply use contact lens solution for that. The store is based in Canada, but they ship worldwide, and my package arrived in perfect condition. Many of you know this next shop already, since she's super popular in the slime scene. This is Audie's Slimes, and I love her quirky collection of food and fandom inspired products. The first one is a bestseller on Etsy, and it's called Hot Cocoa, which comes with tiny foam marshmallows to mix inside. This chocolate-scented slime has a luxuriously thick texture and looks just like shiny Nutella. One risk of very dark slimes is that it leaves traces on your skin, but this one has a perfect non-sticky texture, which you can see on camera right here. Now let's add some marshmallows and start poking. The next slime is called Lemon Poppyseed Batter, which is another bestseller from Etsy. This one has the same rich texture and a perfect lemon cake scent. I couldn't wait to try out this third slime, which is called Floofy Fruity Pebbles. It smells exactly like Fruit Loops and has the most insanely satisfying texture you can imagine. I believe this is called Icy Slime, Slushee Slime, or Cloud Slime, and I just couldn't stop playing with it. Here's a few close-up shots so you can see exactly how amazing it is. Next up, we have two 8-ounce containers of clear slime. If you see any bubbles in here, then that's just because of the transport, and both of these slimes turned perfectly transparent a day after filming this video. Both of these are surprisingly thick, and I've never actually felt this texture before in a clear slime. It's incredibly calming to touch because the slime actually sits on your hand instead of spreading outwards. The glittery one is called Unicorn Gloss, and I've also included a video from Audie's Slime's Instagram account so you can see how satisfying it is. Please remember that just like all indie slime shops, some slimes sell out really quickly, so they might not be available right away. The best way to get your favorite slimes is to follow that shop on Instagram so you can be notified when new stuff comes back in stock. The next shop is So Sweet Slimes. I chose this one because I adore the pastel kawaii aesthetic which flows through the entire brand. You also get some lovely freebies and a small packet of borax in case your slime needs more activating. I was quite impressed by this professional seal around the lid, so there's no chance of your slime leaking during transit. This first one is called Cotton Candy Slushee and it has a delightfully crunchy texture. I like the fact that So Sweet Slimes comes in a large flat container because you have a lot more space to play with it and it's a great size to film. The second slime is called Cloud9 and it comes with an adorable cloud-shaped squishy. I was completely blown away by this slime because it has the most beautiful texture combined with a heavenly scent. It smells like marshmallows, vanilla and honeydew melon. I think Bath & Body Works have to make a shower gel with this smell because it would sell out instantly. So I believe this is another cloud slime, but with a much finer texture than Floofy Fruity Pebbles by Audie's Slimes. This almost feels like a very soft soap that can be pressed into itself. Now let's take a look at this pink mermaid fishbowl. This one has a completely different texture to the others, but it's equally beautiful. I had to take so many close-up shots because of how sparkly the glitter looked. So there's a slight dilemma with fishbowl slimes because these have to be very sticky in order to hold the pieces together. This was also the case here, and I would definitely recommend mixing up a tiny bit of borax solution and then adding it to the slime before you play with it. Don't forget to check out So Sweet Slimes on Instagram as well, and the username is spelled sosweet.slimes. And for the final slime shop, I'm going to test out Elastiplasty. This is a commercial brand sold in the USA and you can get it directly from toy stores or from Amazon. It's by the same creators as Morph Clay, so I was really curious to see what they came up with. Elastiplasty is a super stretchy polymer that can expand up to 100 times its own size. It comes in many colors and I'm going to try out the glow-in-the-dark version. This smells and feels just like slime, but it really is a lot stretchier. You can pull it for ages without anything ripping, which is quite fun. The glow-in-the-dark effect is strengthened if you hold the slime in light, and it looks really cool, however it does fade quite quickly. I also tried blowing some bubbles with it, but you need a wider straw for the best effects. Last but not least, this slime is also great for making farting noises if you're into that kind of stuff. So I hope you enjoyed this really lengthy slime review. If you got this far, then please let me know in the comments which one was your favorite slime. Big thanks to Gearbest.com for sponsoring this video, and please remember to check out the shopping links below if you want to try out this giant crystal slime. This is Joanna, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!